Dear students, in today's session, we are going to see a new lesson, skeletal system. Look at this picture. Are you afraid of it? We all are having this framework inside our body. Our body consists of many organ systems. Look at the picture. Circulatory system, skeletal system, digestive system, muscular system, respiratory systems. They all are doing different functions for our body with different organs. Combination of many organ is called organ system. Each part is having different function. Look at this picture. We have two lungs. What is the function of lungs? It helps us to respire because oxygen is very, very important for us to digest the food and for all the activities. And here it is the digestive system. The food what we take is getting digested in the stomach. There are some of the organs, small intestine and large intestines are there. And also lungs takes the pure oxygen to all the parts of our body. Okay, dear ones, in today's session we can see only skeletal system. The framework of many bones gives support and strength and shape to our body. That's called skeletal system. Hope you know how many bones do we have? Yes, that is 206. But the newborn child has more bones, but when they grow up, they are combined to form only 206. The bone is very strong outside, but inside it is very soft and spongy. Inside the bone marrow is there. It helps to the formation of red blood cells. It is very, very important for us. Red blood cells. Okay, dear ones. To have healthy bones, we should eat the food rich with calcium. Yes, egg and milk, they are having lot of calcium. So as students, you should not skip these food items in your daily food. Yes. Bones are very, very important. You just imagine our body without bones, how will be our body? If it is only made up of muscles, even we cannot walk. You cannot take anything if it is down. We cannot run if anyone is chasing us. Am I right? Yes. So, to keep our bones very healthy, we have to do exercise also and also take calcium rich food. And also you have to stand in the sunlight for some times because vitamin D is also very, very important for our body to keep the bones very healthy. You know very well, our bones gives shape, support to our body, and it is divided into 4 parts. The first one is skull. Are you afraid to see this one? Yes, it is skull. Have you seen holes for eyes and also ears and nose? Am I right? Yes, because inside the holes, our eyes, nose and ears are kept. And there are 22 bones in our skull. Brain is kept inside the skull because it is very, very important organ. Then all the bones in the skull is fixed except our lower jaw bones. Without lower jaw, we cannot speak or we cannot eat food. So only they are movable but others are not. Okay, dear ones, in today's session we have seen what is a skeletal system and what are the bones inside our skull. The remaining things we can see in the next class.